Okay, today it seems like the weather forecast has changed. Originally it called for cloudy and showers. Now it's sunny and or at least partly sunny. So I'm going to go ahead with the experiment of the new tray that I built yesterday. And this one incorporates the stopper. And what I'm cooking is potatoes, onions, and carrots. And I seasoned them to taste. Usually root vegetables take the longest to cook, so that's what I'm going to use for this experiment. So here's our newly fabricated tray, and right now it's almost 10 o'clock. That was a nice and perfect fit. All right, it's been 1 hour. Unfortunately, surprise, surprise, we got a cloud cover all over. So I'm going to check the temperature anyway and see what we ended up with. Nice tight fit, and the plug feels warm to the touch. Ooh, look at all that steam coming out. When I first opened it, the temperature read as high as about 191, but as the steam pulls out, it's about a 181. The rivets seem to have held pretty good. The potatoes look like they're done, but we'll have to take it inside and test it. Okay, I've given this a few minutes to cool off, and one observation is that the plug felt a little bit tighter when it's heated up, which is a good thing. I suppose. And one thing that I'm going to do is probably make a little hole and put a thermometer so I can actually measure the temperature when it's inside. This is how I really should be handling this at this time. It's still very hot. Give this a taste test. Toothpick goes in very easy. That potato's done. The onion is translucent and tasteful. Hot. The carrot is very tasteful, firm, not mushy, not crunchy. I would say perfect. So I think this new tray is a success, and I think if I put a little thermometer inside so to measure the temperature inside, it'll work out real good. One thing you can see is it tends to roll, and it's not really stable in the horizontal position. So I think what I'm going to do is line it up straight and then just cut maybe 1/8 of an inch all the way across, and that way I'll have a flat surface on which to settle on. Now, as you can see, that makes a world of a difference. All I did was cut the very bottom about 1/8 of an inch, if that much. The other tray is still an excellent tray in my opinion, but for cooking different things, it's better to have this choice, one that will raise the temperature higher and the other one that would cook in the 200s, and probably take a little longer, but nevertheless just as well cooked.